In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Chevy Sonic key fob. Replacing your battery at home is very easy to do. You do not need to bring your device to the dealership. The only things you'll need to get this done are a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2032 batteries. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around or you're not sure where to get one, you can go check the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for just a few bucks. The first step is just to locate the button on the side of your device, hold that down, and pull out the internal key. Now hold on to this key because we're going to use this to pry this thing open. We're going to be popping off this back section of plastic. So I'm just going to show you the basic idea and then I'm going to tell you the specifics. We're just getting it in there and prying this off so we can get access to the battery in there. But the trick to it is, if I can get this thing back on there. There we go. We're putting the key back in its keyhole, but we're not going to go too deep. If you push it in past about this point, you can pry and it's actually stuck under a piece of plastic in there, and you can pry all you want. This back piece is not moving. There's actually a little kind of a spot where you're putting it in and you're kind of prying it and you'll feel that it locks right in there. It's not stuck. I mean, it's moving, boom, that's the spot. And once you feel like you have it, you can look at this little seam in the plastic, and if you start to apply pressure, you'll see this opening up. If you're in too far and you're prying, you don't see that thing opening, don't pull. If you're in the right spot and you see it starting to come, you're good to go. Just you're pushing and you're prying. Once you get in there, you'll get a feel for it. It's really not too tough. Just take your time. And once you have this open, you can put your key down, and all we need to do is just pop out that battery. If you have longer nails, you can probably just get under there. If not, go ahead and grab your flathead screwdriver, and all we want to do is use it to get under the battery and just lift it up. So just pry the battery up and dump it out. Dispose of your old battery and make sure your new battery is a CR2032, and make sure when you're putting it in that the positive side is facing down. So you're just going to line it up, positive side down, and snap it into place. And from here, we just need to put it back together. So go ahead and make sure everything is lined up. Be careful of this little button. Make sure that gets in its housing there. Once you have it lined up, just squeeze it all back together. Put your key back in there, and you are all set. I hope that helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back to this channel. We've got you covered with tutorials for the devices of almost every make or model out there, and you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.